Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go. In the previous videos we have seen so many logical questions, and in this video also we will see very interesting logical question, and this is the most asked question in the interviews. This is just a general question, not a question related to coding. So let's go to the question. There are 100 rooms with a single door. So this is the first door, this is the second room. Like this we have 100 rooms. This is the 100th room. So initially all doors are closed. So you need to go to every door and you need to toggle every door. You need to go to every room and just toggle the door. Toggle means if the door is closed you need to open, if the door is opened you need to close. So in the first round you need to toggle every door. So initially all doors are closed. After first round all doors will be opened, and in the second round you need to toggle every second door, means multiples of 2, second door, fourth door, sixth door, eighth door and so on. After second round, in third round you need to toggle every third door, means multiples of 3, 9, 12 and so on. So like this you need to toggle doors up to 100 rounds. So the last round is 100, and in this you need to toggle multiples of 100 every 100th door. We have only 1 to 100, so we will be toggling 100th door in 100th round. So the question here is, after toggling the doors up to 100 rounds, what number of doors will be opened at the end of the 100th round? So let's try to answer it. If you want to think the answer, you can pause the video and just think the answer, and let's go to the answer, how to solve it. So the main point you should remember, or you should go to solve this question is, initially the door is closed, and if you toggle the door once, then the door will be opened. If you toggle the door 2 times, door will be closed. If you toggle the door 3 times, door will be opened. So here if you toggle any door even number of times, then the door will be closed, because initially the door is closed. If you toggle the door odd number of times, then the door will be opened. So we want answer what number of doors will be opened at the end of the 100th round. If any door is toggled odd number of times, then those number of door is opened. So if you see, in second round all the divisibles of second will be toggled, in third round all the divisibles of 3, like that. In fourth round all the divisibles are 4. So like this we will do. If you find for every number the factors of that number, if the factors are even, then the door will be closed. If the factors are odd, then the door will be opened. So you don't need to find for all the numbers 1 to 100. There is a pattern. Let's see what is that pattern. So if you take the patterns of 1, the factor, it will be 1 into 1 is 1, and if you take for 2, it is 1 into 2. If you take for 3, it is 1 into 3, and if you take for 4, it will be 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. So let's take for 6, 1 into 6 and 2 into 3, and let's take for 9, 1 into 9 and 3 into 3, and let's take for 25, 1 into 25 and 5 into 5. So if you observe these factors, so these numbers have odd number of factors, because we have one duplicate number, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 numbers here, so that is odd number. So let's find the common thing among these. This one is 4, this one is 9 and this one is 25. So what are these numbers? These numbers are square numbers. So other than square numbers, if you take any number, then that will have its pair. Suppose this is not a square number, so it will have its pair 1, 6, 2, 3. So this will be toggled 4 times, that is even number of times. So like this, other than any square number, all numbers will have an even number of factors. So even number means the door will be closed, odd number means the door will be opened. So here the answer is all the doors with the square numbers will be opened. So this is also a square number, like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16 also, and 25, like that all the square numbers between 1 to 100. So I hope you like this video and understood the question and how to solve it. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.